She wants to do it.
I know. See?
Ariana's supposed to be washing the car by herself.
Dig in.
Do it again. Do it again. Oops. You feel it?
Dig in.
Oh, no, no, no. Focus on the car.
Okay. Dig in.
No, keep putting the soap on it. Ah! Hold on. Whose car? Hey, Ariana. Ah! Whose car are we washing?
Larry's car?
We're washing Larry's car?
Yeah.
Where's Larry?
He's at work.
He's at work?
Yeah.
Okay. See, now he has to buy you an ice cream because you're washing his car. And Daddy's helping too, huh? Dad, can you wet the floor a little bit? Like over here, over here. Because my feet are hot. Okay. Ah! I'm getting wet. I didn't want to. Hey, no, no, no. Come over here. Come on.
Okay, now. She needs to wash the back. Only the back.
Hey, wash the back of the car.
Right.
Okay.
Only the back. That's it.
It's getting hot outside. Come on, put more soap. Ariana. Put more soap. Good job.
We're washing Larry's car.
Yeah, washing Larry's car.
It's a motorcycle.
There's a motorcycle? You hear it? It's loud, huh?
Yeah.
Driving somewhere.
Driving right there.
Yeah. Make sure it all has soap all over
My hand.
your hands.